What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chucky here, and welcome to the first video. This is our hands-on DIY put your fucking parts on your car. So in today's video, we're gonna be putting on the diverter valve spacer, the new grill. We're gonna see what the fuck is going on with the headlights. What else are we gonna go put on? We might put on the springs. Today's the day, yo. Today's the day to put on the car parts. Here's where we at. We're putting the new spark plugs in, as well as the coils. We got 04 out. They're in pretty good condition, so I'm gonna save those. New spark plugs, NGK, pre-gapped, 32 I believe. Putting these in. So yeah. Right now we're gonna be tightening my O2 sensor. I feel like I'm getting a slight boost leak. Maybe it's affecting my back pressure. My O2 sensor is a little bit loose. So let's just go ahead and get that done. After hella work, she's finally in. Oh man. This is mad difficult. Alright guys, I'm back in my room. I'm back in Fort Drum, right? And so I just real quick, I just want to tell you guys everything that's been done to the car, just because a lot of it has been off camera. Right, so as you guys can see in the video, we were installing the grill, we were installing the diverter spacer, and we were installing the coils and the spark plugs. Now for the springs, we did not do the springs. I still have it. I'm gonna have somebody else do that. I'm gonna pay somebody just because it's tedious. I've done springs, I've done coilovers before, and you know, it's a process. I don't want to waste all that time doing it, so I'm just gonna pay somebody to do it. But in terms of everything that's been added to the car, I have the cold air intake that I did that off camera. Did new spark plug just because IE wants your spark plugs to be gapped at 0.27. Mine were at 0.32. So we changed the turbo muffler. So we got a new one. We got a straight through turbo muffler instead of having the little gaps in between them. I actually have my turbo muffler. Let me just get that for you guys. This is my old turbo muffler. So basically what the new one is basically almost the same thing. Apparently, the new one doesn't come with these ridges or these openings in it. It's just straight through. They're covered. So the air, once the air is flowing through the muffler, it doesn't break up and it releases. Where the new one is basically just goes straight through. So that's what a turbo muffler really do. It helps build up boost a little bit quicker. It sounds, you hear the whistle a little bit more just because the air is not being released. Just in terms of performance, it just has better flow. We did the diverter spacer, as you guys saw in the video, and like I said, the cold air intake. Other than that, that's pretty much it in terms of the exhaust. We did the downpipe. You guys seen that as well in the video. It was a tedious process. I'm not gonna lie, I will never do that shit again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. My next video should be coming out maybe later today or probably tomorrow. I just gotta finish editing the video. You guys see me, like I said, wearing the same clothes just because I filmed it today as well. So thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Just make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Make sure you guys stay in tune with the build because it's gonna get crazier. There's gonna be a point where I'm not gonna be uploading just because I'm gonna be on deployment, but that's a whole different story. I'm gonna catch you guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.